The US Air Force is seeking to begin work on a drone using AI technologies before the end of the year. The Air Force press release stated that in total, 13 vendors will now compete for up to $400 million in subsequent delivery orders in support of the Skyborg Vanguard program. But what is the Skyborg program? In essence, the Skyborg program is an autonomy-focused capability that will enable the Air Force to operate and sustain low-cost, teamed aircraft that can thwart adversaries with quick, decisive actions in contested environments. Think smart drones. These drones, operating autonomously in contested environments, will be able to detect threats to themselves and manned airframes on the ground and in the air, evaluate the danger, and find solutions to striking or otherwise avoiding threats. Skyborg drones will essentially act as information-gathering nodes that relay information to human pilots in order to increase the pilot's combat survivability. As of now, 2 of the 13 companies that were awarded contracts have shown what they've come up with. Last year, Raptor's XQ-58A Valkyrie made its first flight debut. The design has a number of stealth features, including a stealthy fuselage and nose design, as well as a serpentine air intake inlet that masks the Valkyrie's engine fan blades. The relatively lightweight drone tips the scale at about 2,500 pounds. Though it is ultimately intended to accompany stealthy fighters like the F-35 and F-22, it remains to be seen how the platform would keep up in its current configuration. Raptor lists its cruise speed as Mach 0.72, whereas the F-35 and F-22 cruise over twice as fast at around Mach 1.5. Progress in this area is still needed. Less is known all about Boeing's Loyal Wingman prototype. Boeing's Australian division developed the prototype, which is expected to make its first flight sometime this year. Based on images the company released, the Loyal Wingman seems to be outwardly similar to Raptor's Valkyrie, with a stealthy-looking chined fuselage and V-tail, though rather than a single back-mount intake, the Loyal Wingman has intakes on either side of the airframe. Much progress is still to be done before the Skyborg program is complete. But, with 13 horses now in the race, there will likely be many new designs to look at. Check out this video on US Air Force's top-secret 6th-gen fighter. Or on Russia's new stealth drone, accompany.